Hey everybody, how you doing? So if you watched my video yesterday regarding the Zephyrus G14, it's around half an hour and explains a lot of things regarding the battery. But now today I thought about something else. If we can just turn off the GPU fan over here because it's useless. We turned off the GPU, NVIDIA GPU here totally off. So the fan is running, without any reason. So if there is a way to turn the GPU fan off regarding the Zephyrus G14, please let me know in the comment section of someone. I'm trying to find ways to do it. But as you can see, this is the statistics, 35 degrees. I'm playing for maybe now 2 hours straight with this temperature. And this is the game that I'm playing. It's a PlayStation 2 game. It's nice. And yeah, so I was playing like full screen all the time, and yeah, it's just the GPU fan is just, we can save even more battery than usual. So I have it now. It's on. Let me show you the battery. It's 48% now, almost 50%, and I can play games for 2.5 hours of game playing continuously. Uh, Using, I can even turn the internet as well, so I can probably get even more better life right now. So yeah, the GPU fan, I need to turn it off, guys. If you know some way, let me in the comment section. Alright, take care, see you later.